Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. I invite Gurvinder sir to conduct this session.
Hello, everyone. I hope I am audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Sorry for the delay, sir.
No worries, sir. How is physics going on?
Fine.
Okay, great. Which chapter are you currently in physics? Can anyone tell me? Okay, or should I directly start? So I hope everyone of you was able to do the 2 homework problems that I had given you. If not, we'll be discussing them today. Okay. No worries, Bhavna. We will do it. If you weren't able to do it, we will be doing it today. Please mute the other participants. Okay, so I have the access to it, so I'll be able to do it. So hello everyone. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, so is there any of you who was able to do the 2 homework problems that I had given yesterday? Anyone who was able to do those 2?
Sir, I didn't write, sir. Sorry.
Okay, Gayatri. Bhavna also did not do. Others, Vignesh,
Not did.
not done. Vignesh, what about you? Ashrita, Varshini. Okay, no worries, no worries. So no worries, we'll be doing it right now. Okay, so see, you have tried, so it is a good thing only that you have tried. So no, questions were not very tough. I know it was a little bit tough, it was, but not out of the range. Okay, no worries. So see, I have so I'll be starting with the first question. So in the first question, what I have is I have 2 sets. The first set is 1, 16, 11 like that. 1, 6, 11 like that, right? The other set, what is the other set? Can anyone tell me? The other set is 9, 6, 9, 16 and 23.
23,
right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
9, 16.
9, 16, 23 like that, right?
Yes, sir.
In both, we are taking 2018 terms, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2018 terms, right? 2018 terms we are taking, right? And I was asking you to find
X union Y.
and like number of terms in X union Y, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? So basically,
Yes.
I had given you a formula also yesterday. If you just go back, what is the formula for n of X union Y?
N of X plus N of Y
Union.
minus N of Y minus N of X intersection Y. Yes,
Right?
sir.
So n of X I already know. N of X I already know. N of X is 2018. Similarly, n of Y is also 2018, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you so we just need to calculate what is the value of n of X intersection Y, right? So basically we would need to take intersection of X and Y. So can you tell me what will be one term? So see, X is, if I extend my X, it is 1, 6, 11, 16, 21, right?
Yes.
Similarly,
Yes,
my Y, it is 9, 16, 23 like this. So so if I am trying to write X intersection Y, can you tell me what will be the first term of X
16.
intersection Y?
16, sir.
16, correct.
16.
After that, okay, so what is the common difference of the first AP? What is the common difference? It is 5,
5,
right?
sir.
Hi, sir.
What is the common difference? What is the common
7,
difference
sir.
of second AP?
7.
7, right? So what will be the common difference of X intersection Y?
Sir?
35.
What will be
Two,
the
sir.
common how much?
2, sir.
2. 5.
No, sir. 5, sir.
5, sir.
5. Result.
How much?
Can you repeat the question once again?
See, I am telling you, I have two set. Okay, the first AP is 1, 6, 11, 16, like this, 21. The other is 9, 16, 23, like this. So the first AP has common difference of 5. The second AP has common difference of 7. I am taking intersection of both the APs. So obviously this will also be an AP. Intersection of two APs is also an AP. So can you tell
Yes.
me what will be the common difference of this AP, intersection wala AP?
5,
Sir,
sir.
it will be LCM, no, sir.
Sir,
How much?
35.
अरे
35.
wait, अरे सब
35.
साथ में आंसर
35
मत.
LCM.
35, yes, correct.
LCM of
35 is the
7.
correct answer. Yes, correct. I यार पहले everyone was saying 5, 7, 5, 7. इतना गुस्सा आया ना मेरे को 2 सेकंड के लिए. Okay, yes, correct. 35. It will be 35, right? What is the
Yes, sir.
LCM of 5 and 7?
35, sir.
It will be 35. Earlier, everyone was saying 5 and 7, 5 and 7. It will be 35, right? You got
LCM
it
तो
right?
भूल गए, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone knows how to calculate LCM.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, great. So yeah, it will be 35, right? Yes, yes, I know. Only one was there who had told 35. So yeah, 16. So what is 16 plus 35?
51, sir.
41, sir.
51, sir.
51, 51,
51.
right? Like this, it will repeat. Like,
Even
Okay.
86, sir, next term.
okay, no worries. Yes, it will be 86. Fine. But I don't need to, I don't need to go on calculating this because the number of terms are large. I need to calculate what are the number of terms in this x intersection y. So can you tell me till what range, what will be my last term? Do I know something about my last term? Till where do I have to calculate? Till where will my x intersection y go?
20.
2018 terms.
Yes. Are you sure there will be 2018 terms in x intersection y?
No,
Yes,
sir.
No. X intersection y won't have 2018 terms.
Yes.
2018 terms are in this and this, x and y. X and
Yes.
y has 2018 terms.
Yes, sir.
So basically, first of all, we will calculate that till where is my x going? Okay, what is my last term in my x? Then I will calculate what is my last term in my y, and whichever of these x and y is minimum, which last term of whichever of these x and y is minimum, till there only my x intersection y can go, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Right. So first of all, help me calculate what will be the last term. Help me calculate what will be the last term of my set x. Can anyone help me? What will be my last term of my
Sir.
set x?
Sir, formula
Yes.
Sn is equals to
SM.
I
S7.
calculated that, sir.
It is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So can you help me calculate what is 2018th term of this AP? Yes, it is 1 plus
1 plus.
2017 multiplied by 5, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
10086.
Yes, sir.
10086, correct. And can you help me calculate what will be the nth term, 2018th term
Yes,
of
sir.
the set y?
41428, sir.
1428.
14128.
Okay, just a second. Please give me a.
1 0.
Oh, sorry, it is 7, right? Yeah, it
So,
is 7. It is 7. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, one thing, whatever this number is, I want to take the minimum. Okay, I want to take the minimum. So I know whatever my value of y 2018 comes, it will definitely be larger than this value. Why I know this? Because see, my a is also higher and my d is also higher.
Yeah.
It is starting from a higher value and it is taking longer jumps. Okay, so I can for sure say that my x of 2018 will definitely be my lower value, right? Can I
Yeah,
say?
sir.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So
Yes,
that means
sir.
what will be my lower value? It will be 1 10086, right?
86.
This is for sure my lower value. You can try and calculate also. If you want to waste your time in exam, you can calculate y of 2018 also. But I have less brain. I have less computing power. So I don't want to waste my brain calculating y of 2018, right? Everyone got right why I'm not calculating the value of y 2018.
Yes.
It is a clever trick. See, because my y set is starting from a higher value and it is taking a jump of longer value. See, my first AP is taking a jump of d is equal to 5. My second AP is taking a jump of d is equal to 7. So I know it is starting from a higher value and taking a longer jump. So it will definitely go higher. So my y of 2018 will definitely be higher than x of 2018. And I wanted to calculate the minimum value. So, okay, so I got it. So see, now I have my values of x intersection y. Okay, x intersection y is going like 50, 16, 51, 86, like this, like that it is going. And the last term that it is encountering should be lesser than or equal to 10086, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you help me calculate what is the value of n? What is the value of n? So it is very easy, right? An. What is the formula for an? An is a plus n minus 1 into
minus 1
a,
into
right?
Yes, sir.
Right. What is my a over here? A is 16, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus n minus 1. What is my d? It is 35. Right?
Yes, sir.
And my an has to be lesser than. My an has to be lesser than or equal to 10086. Can you help me calculate what will be the value? So it is n minus 1 multiplied by 35 is lesser than or equal to 10070, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you help me calculate? Can you help me calculate what is the value of n that you will get? I will get n minus 1 is lesser than or equal to 10070 by 35. Can you help me calculate? What is its value? How much will it be equal to?
287.4, sir.
Okay. 287 point something, right? You can calculate this, right?
Yes, sir.
So basically my n is lesser than, so it is n minus 1. So I will send 1 there. So it is 288.4, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what is my largest value of n over here that I can get? What is my value of n,
Yes, sir. 288.
right? 288. Everyone confirm?
Yes, sir.
So basically what was my n here? It was basically the number of elements in x intersection y,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now just go back to the original problem. N of x, x union y is how much? It is n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y, right? So n of x I already know. It is 2018. N of y also I already know. And now I have calculated my n of this also.
288.
Can you help me find the final value?
Sir, 3748.
Yes, sir.
3748, correct.
3748.
Yes, sir.
Correct. This is the correct answer. 3748 is correct. Okay. So everyone has understood the question. Anyone who has not understood?
No, sir.
Just ask if you have any doubt.
It is clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone? All 20 participants. Bhaskar,
Yes,
Ashrita,
sir.
Varshini,
Yes, sir.
clear? Gayatri,
Yes, sir.
Rizwan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So see, like just there was one thing that you had to keep in mind when you take x intersection y. So you just had to keep in mind that it's like it will the common difference will be the LCM. So it will be LCM. It is 35, right? 35 is the LCM of 5 and 7.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can I know the name of the formula
Which formula?
for we use for this question, sir?
Actually, no, it is not a formula. It is like it is a concept that that whenever you take intersection of two APs, so intersection of two APs is also an AP, and the common difference of the that resultant AP is the LCM of the two APs. Okay, so that's all you needed to know. Fine. So this
Sir,
is
I
a
think
question of
he's
JEE.
asking,
Yeah, what is she asking?
here, so
N,
number of
N
X
into
union Y equal to
Acha, this
N.
one, okay. Arey,
Yes, sir.
this
I'm
is
asking
the
about that.
this. Acha, okay, okay. Actually, this one is learned. This one I had taught when we were learning about sets. Okay, so there is a
Yes, sir.
the first
That's
chapter in
formula.
mathematics is sets. It is called, yeah, like it is not. There is no
Union
name of the
formula,
formula.
sir.
Yeah, union. Yes, like you
Yes,
can
sir.
call it union formula also. It is basically, it shows that whenever you are taking union of two sets, so how many number of elements will be there in the sets? So that is what it is. Okay. Yeah, you can call it union formula if you want. There is no name such as union formula, but you can call it if you want. Fine. So yesterday, actually, I had given this formula to you because I knew that many of you were not there when I had taught the set chapter. So that is why purposely I had given you this formula, just in case if you didn't know this earlier. And I guess someone had told me amongst you only that you had learned this formula when you were in your 10th class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Second chapter sets.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha, so,
Yes, sir.
so you have learned it in your 10th class, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Second
sir.
chapter
Okay.
itself.
Okay,
It's
okay. Okay, no worries. So, okay, so you have understood the question, right? Okay, so
yes,
that
sir.
is it. 3748 is the correct answer. Now we will be moving ahead to the next question. Okay, so like number of elements in X intersection Y. So see, what is happening is my X will proceed till a last number, okay? My set X will go till a last number of 10086, okay? My Y will also go till a last number. And when I'm calculating X intersection Y, I will only go to the minimum of these two numbers, right? Whatever is the minimum of these two numbers. So I already know that X of 2018 will be lesser, definitely a lesser value. So I only have to go till 10086 only. So when I go till there, I know that my intersection has 288 values. So that's it. So can anyone help me tell the question, yesterday's second question? What was that?
Sir, set L1, L2.
Okay.
L1.
Yes. See. Okay. Just a second. See, Bhavna, what is happening is when I did this AN, so my AN, my last term should be lesser than or equal to 10086. Okay. Okay. It should be lesser than 10086. So n minus 1 is lesser than or equal to 287.4. So that way my n is lesser than or equal to 288.4. So any integer, an integer that should be lesser than 288.4. So what is the largest integer that is greater, that is lesser than 288.4? So it is 288. That is why I'm taking 288 because it has to be lesser than 288.4. So I can't take 289 there. I have to take 288 only because it has to be lesser. So yeah, the next question was L1, L2, like that you had, right? Its common difference was D1, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you had W1, W2. What
D2,
was its
sir.
common
Common
difference?
difference.
D2.
D2, sir.
And D1 multiplied by D2 was
10.
10, right?
10, sir.
10.
Okay. D1 multiplied by D2 was 10, right? And
Yes, sir.
AI was basically equal to Li into
I
Wi,
plus
right?
WI.
WI.
Li plus or Li multiplied by Wi. It was
Multiplied,
Li
sir.
multiplied by Wi,
Multiplied. Yes, sir.
right?
Multiplied.
Okay. And I had given you A50
Minus
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 41.
A49 is equals to 1000.
1000, sir.
1000, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
you were required to find the value of.
A100 minus
800
A100.
Minus
minus A90.
So anyone, गलती से भी किसी ने किया हो, by mistake also, if anyone has done, please give me the answer.
Just tried, sir, but didn't get the answer.
Okay, you didn't get answer. Anyone who has got the answer, any answer. Okay, no worries. So we'll be doing it right now. See, that is why I was telling you that it is AP. I know you have learned AP in your earlier classes. There is nothing new. If you just look back into this question also, you will get there was nothing new. Everything that you had learned in class 10, only that much is there in AP. But the way they ask the question, now it gets really tricky. It gets really tough sometimes to solve such a question. So anyways, so A50 minus A49 is given to you, right? So A50 is basically what? It is L50 into W50, right? Minus
Yes, sir.
L49 into W49, right? Oh, sorry, 49, right? So what will be L50? Can you tell me what will be L50? It is an AP, right? So it is
Yes, sir.
L1 plus 49 times D1, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, what will be W50?
W1
L1,
plus
sorry, W1 plus. Yes, correct. W1 plus
W1 plus
49 times
49
D2.
D2.
Yes,
D2,
sir.
right? Similarly, what will be my L49?
L1
L1 plus
L1 plus
38 D1, sir.
L1 plus 48 D1, right?
D1.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right? And what will be my W?
W1 W1
Arey yaar,
plus
okay,
48.
see, just there is one change in the question. It is A51 minus A50, okay? It is A51 minus A50, not A. So just one number ahead we have to. Okay. Will you be able to change it?
Yes, sir.
Not very difficult change, right? Just one number above you have to go. So it will be 51 minus 50, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell
Yes,
me
sir.
what will be the value? What will be the value of 51 over here? It will be 50, right? 50 times D1,
150.
right? Just one number you have to increase only. Right? So it will be 50 times D1 and this will be 50 times D2, right? Similarly,
L50.
if this is 50,
49
it will
D1.
be 49 D1, right?
49 D2. D2.
Arey yaar, sorry. Yes, correct, correct. Yes. Just a second. I'll erase it and write it again. No worries. So L of 50 is basically L1 plus 49 times D1, right?
Yes.
And what is W50?
W
W1 plus.
S 49.
Correct. Absolutely correct. So when I substitute it here, so it is L51. So it is L1 plus 50 D1, right? Multiplied by W1 plus 50 D2 minus, right? What is L50? Just substitute L50. L1 plus 49 D1 multiplied W1 plus 49 D2, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you open this bracket for me? So it is L1 W1 plus, how much will it be? It is 50 D1 W1
Yes,
plus
sir.
50 L1 D2, okay, plus 50 squared D1 D2, right? Minus, please open this for me. It is L1 W1 plus 49 D1 W1
Yes.
plus 49 L1 D2 and 49 squared D1 D2, right? Has
Yes,
everyone understood how I opened these two brackets?
sir.
Yes.
Not understood or understood?
Understood, sir.
Everyone knows? Okay, great. So see, L1 W1 will get cancelled both sides, right? It is in minus,
Sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
This D1 W1 50 minus 49. So it is basically D1 W1, right? D1 W1.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, this L1 and D2,
L1
this
D2.
will also be okay, right? Plus 50 square minus 49 square times D1 D2. Can you help me? Tell me what is the value of 59 square minus 49 square? What is the value of 50 square minus 49 square?
Anshika.
Can anyone tell me what is the value of 50 square minus 49 square? It is a square minus b square, right? So it is basically 50
Sir.
minus 49 multiplied by 50 plus 49.
Yes.
Sir,
So it is
99.
equal to 99.
99, sir.
Right. So it is
Yes, sir,
99
99.
times D1
D1,
D2.
D2.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this thing is basically equal to 1000. It was given to you 1000. This thing
Yes, sir.
A51 minus. So can you tell me what is the value of D1 W1 plus L1 D2 equal to?
1000 minus
1000 minus
99 D1 D2.
D1 multiplied by D2 is already given to you. D1 multiplied by D1 is already given to you. It is given to you as 10.
10, sir.
10, sir.
So now can you tell me? It is 1000 minus
100.
1000 minus 99 into 10, right?
Yes, sir. 9,
Right? So it's not 100, it is 10, I guess.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
It
sir.
is 10. So I'll just save this thing. I'll just save. Okay. So D1 W1 plus L1 D2 is basically how much? 100. Sorry, 10.
10,
10,
sir.
sorry. 100 तो उसने बोला था. Yes. So now I need to calculate the value of A100 minus A90.
Minus A90.
Can you help me? A100 minus A90. A100 minus A90. So my A100 is basically what? L100 into
L100 into
W100.
100.
Right? Minus
Yes.
L90 into W90.
W90.
Right? What is L100? L100 is basically L1
L
plus
plus L1
99
plus
times. Right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, W1 plus
W1
99
plus
times.
92
D2.
D2.
Right?
Yes.
Minus
L1
L1
plus
plus
L1 plus
89 times
89
D1
plus D1 into
and
W1
W1 yes,
89 D2.
89 D2. Yes, correct. So can you open this for me? So it will be L1 W1 plus 99 times D1 W1 plus 99 times L1 D2 plus 99 squared times D1 D2. Correct? You can
Yes,
open this
sir.
and check, right? It will be this only minus L1 W1 plus 89 times D1 W1 plus 89 times L1 D2 plus 89 squared D1 D2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Any issue with this, anyone? Any issue with opening this bracket?
No, sir.
Okay, so L1 W1 again gets cancelled. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So when I open this, so D1 W1 minus 89 times D1 W1. So it is 10 times D1 W1. Okay, then again 99 minus 89. So it is 10 times L1 D2 plus 99 square minus 89 square D1 D2. So this thing, can you tell me its value? It's very easy now. Everything you have now. This thing is
and
basically 10 times
Understood this
D1
step.
W1 plus,
You repeat.
L1 into D2.
right? And this thing, can you tell me what is 99 square minus 89 square?
So
197, sir.
1880.
1180.
How much?
1880. 1880, sir.
Yes, sir.
1880.
1880.
Yes,
Ah,
sir.
yes, correct. 1880. Yes, correct. Correct. Right? So can you tell me its value? Like this whole expression's value, can you tell me now? You have everything, right? See, we have calculated D1 W1 plus L1 D2 also. So I know the value of D1 W1 plus L1 D2. Similarly, I have the value of D1 multiplied by D2 also. So it is 1880 multiplied by D1 D2. Now can you tell me the value? Final answer? Anyone? See, you have the value.
18800, sir.
18800. No.
No, sir. 1880.
How much?
1880, sir.
Yes, sir.
1880.
1880.
Sir, they are telling 99 square, 89 minus square.
No, no, I am asking of the whole expression, this whole expression. Final answer. Final. Everything, final answer.
D1 W1 plus.
Array final numerical value I am asking. What is the
Sir?
final like? Yes,
Is it 10, sir?
10?
10 into 10, I mean 100.
Like final answer I am asking. Like the whole expression. This
Sir,
whole expression.
18,900, sir.
Value of
18,900,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
900.
Okay, great. So 18,900 is the final answer. Yes, correct. Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
18,900.
Yes, sir.
Got it right? Because D1 multiplied by D2 is 10 and D1 W1 plus L1 D2 is also 10, right?
Yes, sir.
So when I substituted it is 100 plus 18800. So it is basically equal to 18900, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Everyone has understood
Yes,
the
sir.
question?
Yes, sir.
So this is also from JEE Advanced. And I'm just giving you one small thing to tell about JEE Advanced. Both of these questions, okay, this first question also, second question also could have been solved just by your class 10th knowledge. And both of these require exact numerical answers, okay? So like they were not options question, they were numerical type question. So just one digit, if you go wrong anywhere, your final answer is gone. Okay, they are not integral type questions. I'll just tell you how these questions are asked. So basically, they have the question on the top. So if this is your screen, they have the question over here written. Okay, then what they do is they give you a numerical, a notepad. It has the 9 digits and a dot decimal also. So you have to input the answer, okay, in numerical form. Like if the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, so you need to input, if the answer is something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4.5. So this is what you have to write there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 is also wrong. 1, 2, 3, 5 is also wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.5 is
Please wait, students. I think sir has some technical issue. You can wait for a few minutes.
Ma'am? Chandrika, ma'am?
Yes, Vignesh?
Arun, sir?
hello.
Yes, Vignesh?
Ma'am, later on I will ask. I had doubt.
Okay, okay. You can ask me at the end of the session.
Okay, ma'am.
You can ask me also. It's a no doubt related to mathematics.
No, sir, it is not related to the max.
Acha, okay. I thought you are afraid of asking me, so you are asking ma'am.
No, sir.
Okay, anyways. So yeah, anyways, yeah, yeah. So what I'm trying to say is that yeah, it got hang. So just a second. So yeah, so actually the point I was trying to make is that that there is a type of questions in JEE Advanced. It is called numerical answer type. Okay, NAT, numerical answer type. Okay. So what happens in numerical answer types is that you have to give the answer in as a number. You have to feed the answer as a numerical value, and it checks in decimal also. So like there are not options that you can tick. So just make sure that whenever you are doing calculation type, so your calculation is correct up to like the last place. Okay. So see, like here the answer was 3748. If just one single element, like the one that she was talking about, if she had taken 289 in place of 288, your whole question of 4 marks would go wrong. Similarly, if here just one small error was there at any place, instead of 18900, you chose any one answer, any other answer than 18900, your answer is gone. So just make sure that you don't make, because see, some questions are really easy like this. Okay. Like what I mean is easy in terms of calculation. Others are genuinely made difficult in terms of calculation. So ऐसा ना हो ना कि you know the answer and still you get it wrong. So that thing shouldn't happen, because it really feels bad when you know the answer and still you are not able to get it correct. So fine, moving ahead. I hope everyone has understood these two questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Okay, great, great. And just understand the point that I'm trying to make about numerical answer type questions also, that you don't have options to select. You have an answer to give. So, okay, fine. So moving ahead, since we are about to, okay, anyways. So for example, you have an AP, okay? You have an arithmetic progression whose nth term is given to you as x plus yn. Okay, x plus yn. Okay, x and y are any real constants. X and y are any real numbers. So can you help me find what will be the first term of the AP and what will be the common difference of the AP?
X
Can
and
you
N.
tell me? X and
X
N.
and
Are you sure X? N is
First
N is
A is
nth
equals to
term.
X.
Y.
First term is X. Are you sure X will be the first term? Just look
Yes,
back.
sir.
yeah, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, first
So
one will be X.
basically, the first term, like the from where the AP will start, will it be X? Just look back. Yes, D is. Can you tell me what will be the common difference of the AP also?
Sir,
N,
I
sir.
think zero, sir.
N, sir.
N, like how can it be N? N is the nth term that I am talking about. How can the like uh, X and Y are any real numbers? Okay, X and Y are any real numbers. And the nth term of my AP is written as X plus NY, X plus YN. N denotes the nth term. Okay, so I substitute the value of N as 1, 2, 3, 4, so I get the terms. If I substitute N as 1, I get the first term. That is X plus Y. Similarly, if I substitute the second term, I get X plus 2Y.
2y.
When I substitute 3, I get A3. That is X plus 3Y. Now, can you tell me what is the first term and common difference? Now it is
First-
very
X
easy.
and
What is the
Y,
first
sir.
term?
First one is
X,
The
sir.
first term is X plus Y. First term is X plus Y, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And what is the common difference?
Y, sir.
Y, sir.
Common difference is Y. Correct. Absolutely correct. So N like how, like someone gave the answer as N. Like how can N be the, like
Yeah, sir.
N basically denotes the first like the term, the which number of term we are talking about. Okay, fine. So moving ahead to sum. Okay, I will be taking the sum. So in general, you have any AP. Okay, its sum of n terms is given to you as xn square plus yn plus z. So first of all, can you tell me anything about this AP? First of all, I'll just want to know from you all only. Is this xn square plus yn plus z correct? Is this thing correct? Because yesterday I had taught you that if whenever you have an AP, its sum of n terms is always written as a quadratic equation. So
Yes,
is
sir.
this quadratic
Yes,
equation
sir.
correct? Is
Yes,
this
Yes,
thing
sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
so
Yeah,
everyone feels that, okay, so basically x, y, and z basically belong to real numbers, right? So everyone feels that xn square plus yn plus z is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can you
Yeah.
in general first tell me what is the
But
formula for
it's
Sn?
not
N
N
by
n
by
2
by 2
into
into 2a plus
N
n
by 2
minus 1
into
into d.
2.
Correct. So if you like, can you please open this for me? Like, can you open this bracket for me?
yes, sir.
Like
Na
multiply, send n inside. Okay, Na plus
plus
n by 2
N
into n minus 1 d, right?
by 1. Yes, sir.
Right. So can you please open this for me again?
Na
Like it is Na plus n square
N square
d by
plus
2
minus
minus nd
N
by
square.
2, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
now
sir.
if you take its term common, it is d by 2 into n square, right? D by 2 into n square. Then what do we have ahead? Plus n into a minus d by 2. Correct? Is
Yes,
this
sir.
thing correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you compare xn square plus yn plus z, and if you compare this thing, there is one thing that I can see clearly. What do I see? There is one term that is not here. That is not there in this
Z,
d by
sir.
2 n square thing. Yes, z
Z.
is not there. That is why I was
Yes.
asking from you. Z will never be there. Z will always be 0. Like there will be
Yes,
no
sir.
constant term. Whenever I will take the sum of an AP up to n terms and I write it as a quadratic expression, so I will always get it in terms of xn square plus yn. I will never get a third term. I will never get the constant term. You can try it. You can check it also. There will be no constant term. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So can you please compare these two expressions for me? Xn square plus yn, and can you compare this second term for me? If you compare these two, both of them have to be equal, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
how
sir.
can both of them be equal when both of their coefficients are equal? So can you equal both of their coefficients for me? So basically xn square
X equal to
plus
D
yn should be equal to
X
d by
percent
2 n
D by
square
2.
plus
plus
n times of a minus d by 2.
A minus
Yeah,
B
so
by
can you tell me? Can you tell me? Yeah, yeah.
X
So
equal
yeah, x is
by
equal to d by 2. In other
Y,
words, I can say that d is equal to 2x, right? D is equal
sir.
to 2x,
Yes,
right?
sir.
And what
Yes.
about this thing? What
A
is a minus d by
A minus D
what?
by 2. 2 by
A minus d by 2 is y,
A.
right?
Yes, sir.
So basically, a is how much? A is y plus d by 2, or rather say y plus x, x plus y, right? Can I say this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood this? Everyone has understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So basically, whenever you are given your Sn as xn square plus yn, okay, so just make sure that you know this already, that your first term is equal to x plus y, and your second and your common difference is 2 times x. Okay, a very small proof. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, a very small question also regarding this only. That, yeah,
Little
any doubt?
sir. Here a minus d by 2 is equals to y, no, sir.
Yeah, yeah. A
Then-
minus d by 2 is y.
Then that 2 where it is go, sir.
See, your d by 2 is basically equal to x, okay? Your d by 2 is equal to x. So it is basically a minus d by 2. So d by 2 can be written as x, and it is y. So I sent x there. So a is equal to x plus y.
Okay,
Fine.
sir.
Yeah. So just a very small question. So it is given to you Sn is equal to 3x square plus, sorry, Sn, so it has to be in n. 3n square plus 8n. So I am asking you to find the AP. Can you find the AP for me first?
Sir, A is 11, B is 6.
Yes, sir.
A is 11,
11.
B is
6.
11.
B is
right.
sir.
So it is 11, 17, 23, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So yeah. Okay, yeah, it is correct. Yes, it is correct. Okay, so moving ahead, just one or two more questions only we will discuss because today's time is over. And yeah, actually, I
Sir,
just
can you
wanted to
please
ask you.
explain the previous question? How the
Yeah,
answer?
this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see, sum of n terms is given to you as 3n square plus 8n. Okay, so I have told you before earlier only that if sum of n square is given to you as xn square plus yn, so your first term will always be equal to x plus y, and your common difference will be equal to 2 times the coefficient of n square. So your coefficient of n square is basically 3, so 2 times. So your common difference will be equal to 6, and your coefficient of n square and n, the sum of that. So it is 11. So your first term is 11, your common difference is 6. So your AP, the AP that we are talking about here, your AP is 11, 17, 23, like that, with a difference of 6. Fine?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So just one very small, like calculative type question. So see, what is happening is you have a pack of n cards, okay? Numbered from 1 to n. Okay. N cards which are numbered from 1 to n. Okay. From that, 2 consecutive numbered cards are removed. Okay. Two consecutive, like 2 consecutive integers are removed. Okay. And sum of remaining cards is equal to 1, 2, 2, 4. Okay. So if smaller of number on removed card is k, so find k minus 20. Everyone has understood the question? Anyone who has not understood? Anyone who has not understood the question?
Once explain
Please
the
ask. Okay, see, you have n cards. Okay, n cards. The first card has number 1, second has number 2, 3, like that till n. Okay, so you have n cards like this. So from that n cards, 2 consecutive numbered cards are removed. Like I can remove 3, 4, I can remove 4, 5, 5, 7, 30, 30, 31, 31, 32, like that. I have removed 2 consecutive number cards. Fine. So what is happening is when I remove those 2 consecutive numbered cards, the sum on the remaining cards, okay, the sum of the numbers on the remaining cards is 1, 2, 2, 4. So I am asking you, what is the smaller of the number that I have removed from the card? What are the 2 numbers and which is the smaller number of them that I have removed? Fine. Everyone got the question?
yes, sir.
Anyone who has not understood the question? Okay.
No, sir, yeah, I
So
understand.
question samajh aa gaya. Can you solve it now? So first of all, one thing we already know. 1, 2, 3, like that till n. What is the sum? What is the sum of first n natural numbers? Does anyone know?
N plus 1 by 2.
N
Into
plus
N
1 by
N
2.
plus 1.
N into n plus 1 by 2. Correct.
Plus
Right? It is n into n plus 1 by 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right? So from that you have removed two cards, two consecutive cards. So what should I assume that?
K and K plus 1, sir.
K plus 1.
Yes, K and K plus 1, correct. K and K plus 1 are the two cards that I have removed. So basically, from the sum n into n plus 1 by 2, I have removed 2k plus 1, right? Because k and k plus 1 I have removed, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
after that, the sum that I am getting is 1, 2, 2, 4.
1, 2, 2, 4.
1, 2, 2, 4 is what I am getting. So basically, n into n plus 1 by 2 minus 2k is equal to 1, 2, 2, 5, right?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yeah.
How
See,
It will be
what is the sum of the first
plus
n
1
natural numbers?
it
What is
will
the sum of the what is the sum of first n natural numbers?
n into n plus 1 by 2.
Yes. From that, I have removed two numbers, k and k plus 1, right? So what is the sum of k and k plus 1? It is 2k plus 1. So basically from n into n plus 1 by 2, I am subtracting 2k plus 1. And its value is 1224. So I have taken out 1 this side, okay? So 1 that was in minus this side will go and
Minus 1,
become plus
sir.
this side. Yeah. So it is
okay.
1225. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir,
so can you help me find the value of n and k?
it will be
Can
minus 1
anyone help
also.
me? So, what?
Plus 1, if go that side means it will be come
No, so
minus
plus
1.
one, like plus one is in minus, na? So there is a minus ahead. You open it. Just open this bracket. You can check it manually also. It will be plus only,
Sir, how you get
right?
n into n plus 1 by 2?
It is the sum of first n natural numbers. Sum
Okay.
of first n natural numbers. Right? Everyone knows this, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So can you now help me find the like, can you help me find the value of n and k? Can anyone help me find the value of n and k? Anyone? So see, what is happening is n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1225 plus 2k. Okay, k is also a natural number. K is also a natural number. So you can just try randomly putting some random values of n inside, okay, and checking. So see, one thing you can say for sure that my right hand side will definitely be an odd number. Can I say this? Can I say that my right hand side will always be an odd number?
Yes,
Yes.
Right? Because
Yes.
k is a natural number. So it is even. So see, this number is odd and this number is even. So odd plus even is always odd, right?
yes, sir.
Sum of an odd and even number is always odd. So my right hand side will always be an odd number. So for that to compensate, my left side should also be an odd number because it is equal. Both are equal, na? So you can just try putting random values of n. So first I will check at n is equal to 45. Can you substitute n is equal to 45 for me? So it is how much? 45 multiplied 46 by 2, right? So it is 45 multiplied by 23. 5, 1. So how much it is? 135, 0, 900. So 531035. But 1035 is actually lesser than 1225. So it won't work. So I will increase my value. N is equal to 50. So it is 50 into 51 by 2. So can you tell me 51 multiplied by 25? What is the value? So it is 5, 255, 0. Then I have 1020, right? So it is 1275. Yeah, 1275. 1275 is greater than 1225, right? So it can work. It can work. Like may or may not work. But 1275 I am getting. So can I substitute value of 50 here? So when I substitute 50, so 1275 is equal to 1225 plus 2k. So what is the value of 2k that I get? It is 50, right? So what is the k value? 25,
25, sir.
right? So k value is 25. Value of k is 25. So what is the value of k minus 20?
5, sir.
What is the value of k minus 20? 5,
5,
right?
sir.
5.
5. Yes, correct. 5 is the correct answer. This is also from JEE Advanced. I know you won't believe. It is 2013 JEE Advanced. चेक कर लेना अगर भरोसा ना हो तो. Fine. So it was very easy. Just you had to do one thing, that you had to, by trial and error, you need to check n plus 1, that thing, because you need to manually feed in the values n and check if it is coming greater than 1225. And if it is coming greater than 1225, then it should be odd also. You should be getting an odd value also, because if you get an even value, then this thing won't work. So you just needed to check that odd. Fine. So Acha, one small thing I wanted to ask all of you. Since tomorrow is Sunday, possible for me to take a class tomorrow, because we had missed 2 classes on Monday and Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
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 Is it
Can.
possible?
Yes, sir.
Can you select a time?
Your wish.
Yes,
You
sir.
tell me. Uh, tell. I guess evening will be really good, right? For you and me both.
Yes, sir. Like
Yes,
from
sir.
3 o'clock.
5 to
3, 4, 4. Okay, 5 to
3
6
to
will
4
work.
or 3 to 5.
3 to 4. And I need only 1 hour.
4 to 5, sir.
4
5
to
to
5,
6.
yeah. 4 to 5 sounds good.
5 to 6.
Any
Yeah, 4 to 5 is good.
4 to 5 seems good to me also, and I guess
Sir.
4 to 5, right? Because in the morning you will be giving test also, I guess. Arun sir,
Yes.
are you telling something?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm asking, are you? Acha, okay.
Yes,
I thought
sir.
you were selling something. Okay, so can we have a class tomorrow 4 to 5? 4 to 5?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, great. See, because
Yes, sir.
we had
Even for
lost
physics, I was
classes.
planning a class, sir. So I'll take the class after you take the class. 4 to 5,
Okay,
let
sure,
that be
sure.
your class. 5 to 6, I'll take
Fine,
it, sir.
fine, sir. Okay, sir, which topic are we going in physics currently?
Sir, 1D is over, sir.
Huh?
Kinematics in 1D. From Monday, I'll start motion in a plane.
Okay, so you are only currently taking physics, or there is someone else also?
No, sir. Physics, only myself, sir.
Okay, actually, like it is means we are going really behind, because
Yeah.
till now only. Okay, so okay, no worries.
Yeah, but
So
we thought
okay, so
initially let's go slow, but once they get maturity, then we
yes,
can
yes, yes,
increase the space.
yes, yes. And where is your like in mathematics? Where are we going? Like how Kevin sir? Which chapter is he on? Can anyone tell me
So it's
which
doing
chapter
coordinate
is
geometry,
Kevin
sir.
sir?
Coordinate geometry, locus,
Uh,
sir. Coordinate geometry, locus. Locus is the chapter he
so
completed.
he has started 1B, right? Syllabus of
Yes,
1B
sir.
now.
1B, sir.
Okay, great. So mathematics is going like at a good pace. Okay, anyways. So A1 is 3 and SP. SP means the sum from 1 to P, okay? Sum from 1 to P. So basically A1, A2 till AP is basically SP, okay? So basically what is happening is, for an integer n, between 1 and 20, m is 5n, okay? And Sm by Sn doesn't depend on n. So it is asking me find A2. Is there anyone who hasn't understood the question?
So once can you
Anyone?
explain?
See, so basically what is happening is A1, A2, A3, like that I have 100 numbers in AP, okay? 100 numbers in arithmetic progression. Fine. यहाँ तक तो सबको समझ आ गया ना? Till here. A1, A2,
Yes,
A3,
sir.
like that we have 100 numbers in arithmetic progression. Fine.
Yeah, sir.
First number is given to you as 3. So the first number I know it is 3. SP, or basically I can write it as SN also. No need to get confused. So SN basically means the sum of first n terms, right? SN means what? Sum of first n terms, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning of SM? SM means sum of first m terms, right? Okay. So basically it is telling me that if m is equal to 5n, if I am giving you this condition that m is equal to 5n, so Sm by Sn does not depend on n, or it is independent of m. Okay. Sm or Sm means S of 5n by S of n. Okay, this thing. S of 5m by S of n does not depend on n. So it is asking you to find the value of A2. That's it. Fine. Anyone who has not understood the question?
Understood, sir.
Really? Okay, so just one more question. So this is your homework. Along with that, we have one more homework. We will be discussing it tomorrow. So what is this question telling me? It is telling me A1, A2, A3, like that. Okay, I will not give this question because it requires some other concept also. So everyone has understood this question, right?
Yes,
Just a
sir.
minute, I will give you one more. Yeah, so one more question, like similar to this one, but not same. Okay, so I have an AP whose common difference is not equal to 0. Okay. And the sum of first 3 n terms is equal to sum of next n terms. Okay. So it is asking me find ratio of sum of first 2 n terms to sum of next 2 n terms. Okay. Everyone understood the question? What is meant by sum of next n terms and sum of first 3 n terms? So see, I'll just explain it with uh, a short, a very small picture. So see, I have this AP, okay. Let me S1, S2, S3, and S4. Okay. So basically, the sum of first n terms is being denoted as S1. The sum of terms from n to 2n is being denoted by S2. Sum from 2n to 3n is being denoted as S3. And from 3n to 4n, it is being denoted as S4. So basically, sum of first 3n terms. So the sum of first 3n terms is this, right? Sum of first 3n terms. It is given as the sum of next n terms. So it is basically equal to S4. And okay, I just have this thing with me currently. And it is asking me find the ratio of first 2 n terms to the ratio of next 2 n terms. That's it. Fine. Everyone understood the question now?
Yes, sir.
Now I have elaborated the question, like I've given it to you in an easy way. So, okay, that's it. Tomorrow we will meet with these two questions. I'll be sending the notes right now. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, students. Vignesh?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Vignesh, you were asking something?
మ్యామ్ నాకు డౌట్ ఉంది ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం మనీ పే చేస్తాం కదా బుక్స్ కి
అవును విఘ్నేష్.
దాని తర్వాత డీటెయిల్స్ ఎవరికి ఇవ్వాలి ఐ మీన్ అడ్రస్ ఐ మీన్
అది నువ్వు నీ దగ్గర నంబర్ ఉంది కదా 733 అని చెప్పి నాది.
యా మ్యామ్ ఆ
Is it-
నెంబర్ కి పెట్టాను
ఆ,
ఓ నెంబర్ పంపించారు
ఓకే ఏంటి?
ఆ నెంబర్ ఒక నెంబర్ కి పంపించి ఆ నెంబర్ కి ఫోన్ పే చేయమన్నారు
ఓకే అవును.
ఐ మీన్ ఆ ఫోన్ పే చేశాక డీటెయిల్స్ ఎవరికి ఇవ్వాలని డౌట్ మ్యామ్
అదే 733 నంబర్ కే ఇవ్వండి. నంబర్ చెప్తాను, నోట్ డౌన్ చేసుకో.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
733
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
728
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
5228.
ఓకే మ్యామ్
రైట్, 733 728 5228. ఓకే, ఈ
Okay.
నంబర్ కి ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయి నువ్వు పేమెంట్ చేసింది. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే మ్యామ్
ఓకే విఘ్నేష్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్
Thank you. Yes, students, again we have class. Arun sir? Sir, do we have class tomorrow? Gurvinder sir class?
Yes, ma'am. Gurvinder sir's class is at 4 o'clock.
Okay.
4 to 5, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Followed by my class, ma'am.
Acha, okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
students. Yes, sir. Okay, students, we have class tomorrow from 4 to 6. Right? So don't miss evening 4 to 6. Don't miss the classes.
Ma'am, morning.
Morning we don't have any class. Tomorrow is a Sunday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So morning we don't have any class. Evening you have class from 4 to 6.
Ma'am,
Gayatri?
as exam.
Yeah, we also have weekend exam. We have weekend test also, Gayatri.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, students. Bye, everyone. Tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Don't. Yes, sir.
when is the weekend test?
Tomorrow.
In the morning.
Like
You'll get the link in the
morning?
morning. You'll get the link by morning around 11 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
No problem.
Yes. So bye, everyone. We meet tomorrow. Yes, sir. So you can end the session, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Bye, everyone.